Westies. This is Miss Malone again. Today we're going to be talking about modeling equations. We're going to start out with our Explore activity, and here are some real life situations, and we're going to help you create an equation from a situation. So look at that cute little puppy. A puppy weighed 6 ounces at birth. So I'm going to choose 6 ounces at birth, 6 ounces at birth. After 2 weeks, the puppy weighed 14 ounces. Create an equation to find the weight that the puppy gained. So 6 plus W being the weight, how much weight did he gain to equal the 14 pounds? So on either side of this equal sign, right, it could kind of look like our little balance beam here, right? This has to be equal. So this is an example of how to create an equation from a situation. Let's look at our next situation. Miss Tran spent $50 for her mother's Christmas present. She spent $50 on it. Now she has $25 in her wallet. That's how much she has in her wallet. Create an equation to find how much money she had to begin with. So she had how much money? She spent 50 and has 25. Again, this is how we wrote an equation. Each expression is going to be equal. We are not solving right now. We know that many of you know the answer to giving the variable its value. But today's activity is how do you create the equation? Okay? An equation is two expressions that are equal. These are algebra tiles, and we use these when we were talking about the distributive property in, I think it was Unit 1. So our rectangles are going to represent the variable, the unknown. Then the units, either the positive or negative, this is like our constant, okay? That's going to have the value. So let's look at our first one here. I have one, I'm over here. Here, I'll put a little heart right here. Okay. I have 1x. I'm going to put down 1x. I have 3 positive units plus 3 is equal to, I have 7 positive units. Something plus 3 equals 7. We understand, you know that the value of x is 4 because you know that 4 plus 3 is 7. But here we are building an equation from our models. And again, these are called algebra tiles. I'm coming over this way. Again, I have 1x. It's positive because it's green. But if you note that my units are negative, so I'm going to be subtracting 6 units is equal to 9 positive units. Okay, here we only have variables. We're going to count how many variables we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6x, 6 variables, is equal to 5. 2 groups of 5 is 10 positive units. Oh, now we have some examples of a negative variable. I have negative 4x. Because I have 1, 2, 3, 4 variables, I have 4 times some number. 4 times an unknown is equal to, again, negative 8. Excellent. Here we are going to be matching the models. These are not algebra tiles, but they are giving you the models. It will be clear which one the variable will be. The unknown here is the cup, and they put the X on there to let you know. So if you look in the top, we have one variable, 1 cup, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is going to be X plus 8 equals 2. We are in edit mode. You're going to click on it and see how it kind of populates. Now I can drag it. Our next one, I have 1x plus, oh, that's going to be negative. Let me see if there's a key here. So we're going to assume that that is going to be 1x minus 3, because when they're shaded in, there's normally going to be a key for y'all, but this y'all is going to indicate that these are negative. So I have x. Do you see how I got my two little dots on there? Now I can move it. So you have to make sure you have it selected before you can drag it. Again, I have one variable, and then I have 6 negative units and equaling 8 negative units. Okay, here you go. There you go. The next one, I have 4 variables. 4x is equal to, they're shaded in, so they are going to be negative. 4x is equal to negative 8. I'm going to bring these down with me. Scoot it back up. Excellent. Y'all will note that you'll be listening to the video. You can move the video with you up and down the page. If you accidentally delete it, we are going to put this video via YouTube onto the actual assignment in the days folder. So if you accidentally delete the video or for some reason it's not playing, go check the assignment and there will be a video attached to it. 2x is equal to 7. And then, look, they changed the variable, but it's clear that's the variable. They have identified it. X minus 8 is equal to 4. Excellent job. Okay. Now y'all are going to get to create your own equations. Okay? We have made an example here for you. If you look at our key, your variable, a positive variable is a green apple, a negative variable is a red apple, a positive unit is a donut, yellow donut, and a negative variable or negative unit is a blue donut. So if you look at our example over here, it says x plus 2 is minus 5. I think our positive variable got deleted here. So what you're going to do is you can clone these variables and units, or you can make your own. To clone, you hold down the Option key and then touch on my green apple or whichever one of these you want. Hold down the Option key and then it will just let you recreate it. So again, select the item or the image that you want, hold down the Option key, and you can just keep duplicating. Okay, so I'm going to move my red apple or my green apple over here. So that's my positive x plus 2 is equal to negative 5. I am going to clone the images here. If you love numbers and you want to get creative and you want to come up here and add your own images, there's a whole gallery of images which I'm trying to find. Those are drawing, insert, shapes. Here they are. Okay, you can collect any animals, objects, anything that you want, and you can make them their own colors. But the key thing is here, we don't want you spending a gazillion amount of time on it. If you know how to do this in a timely manner, you can create your own key with your own items. If not, you are going to select, push Option, recreate. Select, push Option, and I made it really big. Make it a little smaller. Option and recreate. Okay. So here, my next one is X, positive, so I'm going to move my apple over, and I'm using my finger and making sure that I selected on it. minus 4. So I'm going to need 4 negative units, and that would be my blue donut. So I'm going to select it, push Option. There's 1. Select it, push Option. There's 2. Select it, push Option. There's 3. Select it, Option, and 4. Equal to 1 positive. Select, Option, drag. Okay? And I'm going to write in my equal right here. Okay? And I know it's negative because these are negative units, so that would be negative. Excellent. Okay. 3x, that's a coefficient with my variable. 3 positive variables. Okay, I need to create one more, so I'm going to select, Option, and drag. Is equal to, now I'm going to write my equal sign, equals, and now I need 6 positive units. That would be 6 yellow donuts. Select, delete that, select, Option, 1, 2, oh, and I bet I can just do it here too. 3, 4, 5, 6. Yay! Okay, now negative 2 equals negative 4. Negative 2x equals negative 4. So I need 2 negative variables. There they go. Equals. Equals. Now I need 4 negative units, and those are my blue donuts. Okay, and once I have my donuts here, it's just much easier to do. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Since I used the key and the key for the apples and the donuts, you're not going to have anything here unless you created your own variables and units. Okay? Now here you can record your voice. So I am going to go up to the plus sign. I'm going to add to where it says, it's where the pictures are at the very far right. I'm going to say record audio. I'm going to push record, and I am going to say I have x minus 4 is equal to 1. Stop. Insert. And I have just inserted right here to the second equation that I built. And if we play this back, and I am going to say I have x minus 4 is equal to 1. Okay, let's go again. You do the plus sign. You're at the pictures to the far right. Record. 3x is equal to 6. There you go. And then my last one, I'm going to scoot it up and record audio. Negative 2x is equal to negative 4. Very good. We hope you enjoyed this. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow or later in the Zoom. Bye-bye.